sure it's fluffy and full and giving life. Y'all, it is giving Whitney Houston up in this. It is giving Chev. If you're new to this channel, welcome, wagwan. Make sure you are subscribed down below. Okay, y'all, now in today's video, I'm about to give y'all a wig review / tutorial for BeautyForeverHair.com wig. And more than anything else, like, it is giving. So if you want to do a leave out with it, you can. If you want to wear it without leave out, you can. Like, you can do just about anything. The last V-part wig that I did a review on, I even did a half up, half down. So it is one of the most versatile wigs that you could get on my hair. Hate it. So I'm gonna just rest the wig on my head like so. Make sure the side is all the way down. I think I'm gonna put it on this braid right here. I'm gonna put it between these two. I want to make sure the part is actually clean before I actually do this. I want to make sure that it's separated. I want a nice clean part. Okay, I think that's good. And once that's attached, I'm just gonna pull down the back, make sure that it is fitted and snug. Everything is in place. Okay, so once that's done, it's time to style. Gotta make sure that the front is attached properly. We don't want when the wind blows, you be seeing all them cornrows. Okay. Okay, y'all. So right now it's giving very much, you know, beauty supply store look wig. So we gotta make it look like a luxurious type of wig that it is. You feel me? So the most important part is the styling. Okay, getting the wig together. So I think I'm gonna do a little bit of trim because I think I wanted the. That's okay though. It's gonna all come together. Okay, so I don't know where my scissors went, so I'm gonna use this eyebrow razor and just shape up the hair. And to be honest, the razor is gonna give you a less blunt cut than the scissors, so it might not be a bad idea to just use a razor. So okay, y'all, so I'm gonna spray a little bit of water just to get the curls to be more defined and uniform. Now to do my edges, I'm going to be using the Got to Be Glued gel in the yellow tube. I've been using this for the past couple months and I am liking it more than my other edge control. So this is what I am going to be using. And we got a fresh edge brush. Sure it's fluffy and full and giving life. Y'all, it is giving Whitney Houston up in this. It is giving rich bougie auntie. Like, y'all can't even front. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. Let me know what you think about this unit. I am loving this. Like, I was a little bit nervous about how it was going to turn out, but this turned out way better than I expected. All it needed was some shaping up, some fluffing up, some movement, some just playing around with the hair. Okay, that is all this hair needs. Let me know what you guys think about the unit. All the details will be in the description box down below. I got this in 14 inches, but honestly you could get it in 12 if you want, or you could keep it in 14 inches and then shape it to the length that you want. Maybe if you want it more shoulder length as opposed to right under the neck. And it just all depends. I got it in 150% density and that's about it. All you gotta do is put a little bit of mousse in it, a little bit of water, touch up your edges. If you want to do a leave out, you could do a center part, you could do a half up style. Like you could do just about anything with a V-part wig because it's just that versatile. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget to comment down below, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at damnthatschev if you haven't already. That's where I post all my pictures of different hairstyles that I do. If you want to ask me questions there, like just follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damnthatschev. It's one handle. And that is all that I have for y'all today. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye.